It's me, Chuck, and today I'm gonna be pulling a prank on Red by using fake North Korea attack prank resealer system EAS. Now, alright, Chuck, I'm gonna go to the store, okay? Okay, I'll be back in about a few minutes, okay? Okay. Just gonna put that. And let me try the caption subtitles. Just gonna turn it down. Guys, be sure to turn down your volume because the EAS is gonna pop out about a few minutes. Okay. Hey guys, I'm back. Hey Red. Oh, you actually got me my favorite TV show. Yeah. Watching my shows. Yep. SYFY. What the heck that is. What the heck? Hey, Bomb, come over here. Mickey, you too. What is it, Red? TV just paused. What? Oh, emergency alert. Hey, that's not cool. Yeah. Huh. Oh, God. Oh! Guys, are you listening to this? Yep. What the heck's going on? What the? What? What the heck? What the heck? What the heck? Dear, oh God.
This message is transmitted at the request of the United States Office of Civil Defense.
Civil
The
Defense.
American Aerospace Defense Command detected 3 ICBMs launched from North Korea.
What?
The first missile is expected to reach the Los Angeles, California area within 2 hours.
God.
The second missile is expected to reach Chicago, Illinois in 3 hours. The third missile is expected to reach New York City, New York in 3.5 hours. Anyone within a 400-mile radius of these cities is at the risk for significant fallout. Anyone, which is most of the United States,
Are you serious?
area needs to seek the nearest fallout shelter. Bring a battery-powered radio, bottled water, canned foods, and other basic survival items.
My
All
God.
radio stations in the United States have ceased normal programming. President Trump is currently being transported to a secure location and will be speaking.
We never heard these cardboard seal words before. That's it.
Please stand by. Information for your local area will be announced shortly.
What the heck? President Biden, Donald Trump is not president anymore. Joe Biden. Please. This is stupid. The heck?
A A civil danger warning has been issued for the entire state of Ohio and parts of northern Kentucky. These areas are within a 400-mile radius of Chicago, Illinois, where the ICBM will be detonated in approximately 3 hours. Fallout will reach the Cincinnati area
Are you
within 1 hour of
serious?
detonation. Fallout is a product of nuclear attacks. Prolonged exposure to fallout will result in certain death. If you cannot find a fallout shelter in your area, local authorities will lead you to one. Please stand by for further information.
What the heck?
The United States military has responded to North Korea's actions. The United States military has now launched 6 ICBMs headed towards
I don't see any nukes coming. I don't hear any
These
sirens.
missiles are expected to
Good.
impact North Korea within 3 hours.
Like, that's it. Oh my god. My god. What the heck? Hey man. What? Guess what? What? It was a prank! What? Oh god! Oh! What? Is that a prank? Oh, I'm gonna kill you! Is that recording? Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, seriously. Sorry, guys. Chuck just. That just irritated me. So be sure to like, subscribe, and follow us on TikTok. Hopefully Chuck does another. Hopefully Chuck learns his lesson about doing pranks.